Boris Johnson has said he bitterly regrets the coronavirus epidemic in care homes. The Prime Minister was back at the dispatch box facing Sir Keir Starmer in his first PMQs as Labour leader. He said he wanted some measures easing the lockdown to come into force on Monday. It comes as one of the government's key advisers on implementing the lockdown was forced to resign after breaking the rules. Professor Neil Ferguson's team at Imperial College produced a landmark report in March saying there was a risk 250,000 people would die if a lockdown wasn't imposed. Professor Ferguson said he deeply regretted any undermining of the clear messages around the continued need for social distancing.
I think it's a sad situation that Professor Ferguson has resigned, as he said in his statement that he'd made a lapse of judgment and that the rules are unequivocal. They're there to protect us, the issues of social distancing, and that they remain firmly in place. And I think that's the important message to stress here, that the rules are there for a reason.
The UK now has the highest number of coronavirus deaths in Europe. Figures from the Department of Health said 29,427 people have now died in the UK. Boris Johnson said that at this stage, international comparisons and the data wasn't yet there to draw conclusions. He also said he hoped the palpable improvement in care homes would continue. Just 22% of social care workers who are considered a priority for a COVID-19 test have been able to access one, research by a body representing the sector has found. Last month, the government said all frontline care workers in need of a test should get one, but a survey from the National Care Forum found that fewer than 1,500 care staff out of more than 6,000 who were symptomatic did actually get a test. The US President Donald Trump has said he intends to wind down the country's coronavirus task force as he plans the reopening phase of America's response to the disease. On a visit to a factory which moved from making aircraft engines to manufacturing masks, President Trump said the US was now in the next stage of the battle against COVID-19. America has recorded the highest number of COVID-19 deaths in the world.